Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll reveal to you how to fix translucent TV not working on Windows 11 after the new update. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. So now that Windows 11 has received a new update, the translucent TV is either not shown in the taskbar or it isn't functioning with any of the programs. Even though it is enabled and working in the background, it is still ineffective. As a result, we currently have two options. Either we can add a new version that includes an exception for translucent TV, or we can remove the new update. So in my opinion, selecting the first choice is much better. And what you need to do is follow the link you will find in the description of a Vibe tool that has been posted to GitHub. You'll find the URL to this website in the description where you will download the Vibe tool. Thus, it is completely safe. Pressing it, a zip file will be downloaded. Go ahead and click Show in Folder. Then you may minimize this page without having to unpack it first. To extract the Vibe tool file, we must first create a folder on the C drive. Therefore, from the left menu option, select this PC, and then select Local Disk C. Right-click on the empty space in this area. Hold down the option for New, and then type folder name Vibe. This folder resembles a C drive. Go back to the Vibe tool. Right-click it to extract it all. Then, select the location of the folder that we just made by clicking Browse. Pick the newly generated folder that can be found by going to Local Disk C. Then select that folder. And last, click Extract. Finally, it has been saved to Local Disk C. Now you must close everything. Then enter CMD in the search box. Select Command Prompt from the menu that appears. Click Run as Administrator, and then select Yes. A dark window will now appear. Enter the following two commands that you will see in the description. You can also copy and paste the first command here. First command. Type cd space c : and then the name of the folder we just created. I created a folder with the name Vibe. So I'll type that name and press enter to open it. The next command is you type Vibe tool space / disable space / ID : 26008830. Press enter and click OK to close the folder. After completing this, select Task Manager from the Windows icon. Open a startup app or tab and search for Translucent TV. If it's not enabled, right-click on it and select that option. If the issue still exists and isn't resolved after doing this, try right-clicking on the Windows icon and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. If this still doesn't work, restart your computer. Then go to Windows Update. Scroll down and find an option of Uninstall Update. Click on it, and this update, which includes the most recent date, may be found here. On March 29, 2023, KB 5023778, a patch for Windows was installed. This is the most recent version, so you only need to uninstall it. Remember, this is only intended for those whom the first approach fails. They can try using this approach. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.